In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can add an end screen to an existing video that was published. So you want to select the video that you want to edit in your YouTube studio. So ensure that you're in content, then you select the little pencil icon that says details. Then you're going to scroll down a little, and here on the right side of your screen, you're going to select end screen and select edit. Here, all you need to do to add an end screen is select one of these templates. By default, it will choose a best for viewer video and a most recent upload video. To choose a specific video, you select the card that you want to edit and then select choose a specific video from your videos, right? And then you can adjust when the end card starts. So you can scroll it and push it towards to the end of the video, and that's basically it. Now you can just save and your end screen will be saved to your video. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.